Welcome! Ooh, King Goy back again. Yeah, so today we are giving a little bit of nutrients to the girls. A little bit of FPJ. So this is essentially fermented plant juice that I've had maybe now for a couple months. There is a video on my page of how you can make your own FPJs and how simple and easy it is. So this is bananas, strawberries, and a few other berries I think. But there's a few different types of like potent fruit in here. So I'm gonna basically add all of that to this. A little bit of nitrosol. So this is like a organic based fertilizer. I'm actually, yeah, it's got quite a strong smell of ammonia. It's like basically piss. That's what it smells like. And I can't remember if this is what it smelled like when I used it last, but this is 5 years old now probably. So I'm not sure, there's no expiration date on here. It's manufactured as an organic product, so it's not going to be too damaging, I don't think. And this is supposed to be like a super concentrated version, so apparently 5 ml makes 1.5 liters of plant food. So 1 ml to 3 liters of water, or 1 cap, sorry, to 3 liters of water. We've got about 12 in here, so I've added like a strong dose, because in my mind either this has gotten more concentrated or less concentrated, and I assume less concentrated, so I'm just gonna increase the dosage, you know what I mean? And even at that rate, it's not like I'm making a huge dosage. That would be a mild one anyway. So that's about 2 caps worth. And something I've been waiting to use, this is more of a foliar spray, so you should spray it on the leaves. However you can obviously spray it onto the soil, the plant will still absorb it. But it's water-soluble calcium, and about a cap should be perfectly fine for that. Very interesting. It smells like lactic acid. If you've smelled lactic acid, it's more like it smells like sweat, you know, that kind of smell. And look, based on the calcifying over there, that's the calcium actually working, you know what I mean? So we do know we've got a solution of calcium here. That's just obviously the lid not being kept closed. I'm gonna have one of those. Should actually clean one and use it. But the shelf life on this is quite long. And then this is a soil microbial mixture, so just probiotics for the soil. Hoping to increase the activity of what's happening. You know, this is all organic, so if we have more microbes doing its thing, the nutrient absorption should be faster. In an ideal world, I'm gonna add quite a lot of this. Yeah. That's the organic fertilizer that I made or was given maybe 3-4 months ago. Yeah, it smells nice and clean. Not clean like chemical, but clean in a good way. So it's not like it's funky or producing other bad microbes and shit. It smells like a good fertilizer. So that's all for today. I think I'm gonna give this. Just stop recording. I'm going to give this a spray, basically the whole solution into those plants, and then we will see the updates. Hopefully we will get some immediate results. I'm keen to see what happens with the calcium because I've never used it, and it's a very important thing for plants. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.